Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a Thai omelette, a little bit different from Western or Spanish omelette by this one crispy and puffy. We put 3 eggs and I mix with the fresh crab meat. If you want more tasty, you can put chili and garlic and light soy sauce or fish sauce, but I prefer fish sauce. So then we go to the kitchen and I show you how to cook the crispy omelette. Okay, first we put the oil in the wok first. We use quite a lot of cooking oil to make it crispy. Okay, then just leave this one for a while. Okay, we beat the egg until you can see this one become very fine. If you beat too much, you can see the bubble, but not too much. Just beat like this. You can see a little bit bubble. Okay, then you put soy sauce or fish sauce. You choose your choice what you like. But I like soy sauce. I put just this amount, 3/4 of tablespoon. Then beat a little bit more. Then you put crab meat. You can add the spring onion or coriander if you like. But this one today we do very plain. Just very simple and basic. If you want to know the oil hot or not hot, you can just taste it by like this. If the egg come out like this, yeah, you can put straight away. If you can see the color change, you can turn it. Like gold color. You look crispy and puffy. If you want more crispy, you turn one more round. Yes, this yeah, you can see. Yeah, this crispy in it. Look very crispy, and it doesn't absorb the oil at all. Look, and then we can put this one on top, like this. That's it, a wrap for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe and like, and see you again next time. Stay safe. Bye.